Hey guys, Stephen Maxwell with Funtown RV. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorites. This is going to be the RiverStone 419RD. Let's take a look. Up front, you're going to have the Curt Rotaflex Kingpin. That's going to give you a lot of mitigated road vibrations going down the road, make your trip that much more comfortable. Moving along the door side, you're going to have two large propane tanks for those extended trips, and you're going to have a massive pass-through storage that's going to give you plenty of room for all of your camping equipment. Our RiverStone is also going to be equipped with the 4-camera system from Furrion. That's going to come with 2 side marker cameras, 1 rear view camera, and 1 door camera. This fifth wheel is going to come with a dual awning setup. It's going to give you a little bit extra space in your campground to be shaded, covered, and out of the elements. Your middle slide on the door side of this fifth wheel is going to have your outdoor Jensen's TV. That's going to give you a little bit more entertainment out here. Say you got the Cowboys on and you want to see that game, you're not going to have to miss a minute. One thing RiverStone does a very nice job of is giving you as much storage as possible. You're going to have 2 storage compartments moving along the side, and once you get to the rear, you're going to see the real showstopper. You have a full-size mow-ride slide that's going to give you tons of storage for all of your equipment. Say you're going out for a week or a month, you're going to have plenty of storage. Right below your rear storage, you're going to have a hitch. Keep in mind, this hitch is not meant for towing. This is going to be an accessory hitch. So if you have a bike rack, a rack you need for some coolers, or just a little bit extra storage, that's what it's going to be used for. Not meant to tow a boat, not meant to tow another RV. Please don't put yourself at risk. Walking into the RiverStone, you're going to have a very large kitchen area. You're going to have a full-size Samsung fridge. It's going to be just like the one you have at home. Going to be a really easy transition to the campground. Another feature RiverStone does in a lot of their models that I'm a huge fan of is using the Insignia stove and oven combo. This is going to be a full-size industrial grade 4-burner stove with a full-size oven underneath. Moving forward to the island, RiverStone is going to give you a very large island with a 2-basin sink, give you a couple options for prepping food, washing dishes, whatever you're going to need. And if you don't like washing dishes just like I don't, you don't have to worry about it. RiverStone has you covered. You're going to have an RV dishwasher already installed. Opposite side of the kitchen, you're going to have your dinette area. RiverStone gives you a freestanding table. Right now, you're going to have 2 chairs. It does come with 2 extra chairs and an extra leaflet to extend your table out a little bit further. In the rear of this RiverStone, you're going to have your living area. RiverStone does a really good job with their entertainment / living areas. You're going to have 2 pull-out couches that are going to give you a little bit extra sleeping area if you got some kids with you, some cousins, some friends, and you're also going to have 2 recliners right in front of this massive TV. One thing RiverStone does is they give you light switches all the way around the RV. That way, anywhere you are, you can control the lighting. Moving forward, you're going to have a massive TV on its elevator with your sound bar right underneath. One great thing about this is if you're in a scenic area and you want to take in that view, you can go ahead and do that with a flip of a switch. Right below that, you're going to have a full-size fireplace. This is going to be an electronic fireplace that does have a heat option on it. So if you're on a little bit cooler of a trip and you want some heat but don't want to burn up your propane, let this puppy go to work. Right inside the door, inside the cabinet, you're going to have access to your full control panel. This BM Pro is going to give you access to every accessory on the RV except for your Truma AquaGo system. That is going to be your hot water heater. It is tankless and upgraded, one of the best hot water heaters on the market. And right next to that, you're going to have your power switch for your inverter, so you can run off a 12 volt when it's needed. This RiverStone is going to have a fantastic bathroom. You're going to have dual basin sinks with the solid surface countertops with that darker tone. Gives it a really nice look, counteracting the cabinets. You're going to have a full-size porcelain toilet right next to your large walk-through shower. It's going to have sliding glass doors with a birch bench and adjustable shower head. This bedroom is going to be absolutely massive. You're going to have a dual slide setup. One for the bed, that's going to be a full-size king bed. The other one is going to be for your entertainment area and a little bit extra storage. One of the greatest things that you can have in a fifth wheel is going to be storage. One extra thing you have here is a little bit of storage for your laundry detergent. You might ask, why do you need laundry detergent? Well, they've already installed your washer dryer ready to go. And right next to the washer dryer, you're still going to have plenty of storage. And if you missed it, over here in the closet, you're gonna have two very important features. First one is you're gonna have solar already installed, so you're not gonna have to worry about running out of power on any of your trips. Right below that, you're gonna have a Wi-Fi extender that's going to give you all of the service you're gonna need on your trips down the road. All right, guys, this has been the RiverStone 419RD. This is gonna be one of my personal favorites, really a home from home. It's gonna give you all the amenities you need while you're on a trip, but still able to get out there and experience life. Right below that, you're gonna have a full-size fireplace. This is gonna be an electronic fireplace that does have a heat option on it. So if you're on a little bit cooler